Hey, happy Sunday. I wanted to hop on here and show you guys how to turn in an assignment on Classroom in case anybody had questions or was struggling with this weekend, because you know your chapter 1 assignment is all due on Monday. So basically, when you're in Google Classroom, you'll see the assignment on the page. Mine is just a test assignment, so just kind of imagine it as one of the assignments in our classroom. Over here on the side, you see your work with the add or create or the mark is done. In this situation, I'm going to have to add my work to show that it completed it. I told you guys that when you're taking pictures, you want to upload them to your Google Drive with your school account. I told you that in class, but I don't have any pictures on this Google Drive, so I'm going to use an assignment that I have already in there. So you're going to click add or create, and then you're going to select your Google Drive. This is going to pull documents, your entire Google Drive, everything you have saved here, pictures you have uploaded from assignments, key terms, worksheets, etc. Everything will be right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Killer Nurse assignment that I have completed. And then I'm going to go ahead and add it here where it says your work. It's up here, everything, it says my name. And then I'm going to turn it in. So once you've turned it in, you will be able to receive credit for it. But if you need to add something else, like maybe you needed to upload another picture, then you can unsubmit it. And then you can, add or create more. So if I wanted to go back and I wanted to add something else, I could. Okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. You can message me on Remind or through Neo, or you can comment here on Classroom. Hope you have a great weekend. Bye.